If you are trying to learn video editing in 2025, stop wasting your time, because 90% of most beginners focus on is completely useless. They're stuck tweaking transitions, learning every software, chasing perfection, but still they cannot land any clients or finish a good video. So let me give you the blueprint I wish I had when I started, and this is a step-by-step process, no fluff, just what actually works. When I started, I had no mentor, no budget, and a broken laptop that made weird noises. I hope you know about my journey. If don't, then check this video out. But I was obsessed. I watched tutorials, I reverse engineered every edits from my favorite content creators and slowly figured out what actually matters. And now I work with brands, founders and content creators, and here exactly how I got from zero to paid. Here is my 6-step editing blueprint that will change your editing mindset, and number 6 is the main game changer. Step 1. Pick one and stick to it. Don't waste time jumping between CapCut, Premiere Pro, After Effects, DaVinci Resolve. Just pick one based on your goal and master it. For me, it was Premiere Pro. I got deep down with shortcuts, workflow, templates, and here is a formula. Consistency builds speed and speed builds skill. So make sure you focus on one thing and master it. Step 2. Learn the editing language, which is storytelling. Storytelling is the heart of a video. Editing is not about flashy effects, crazy effects, transitions, animations. It's about emotion, pacing, and clarity. And you have to understand these 5 basic structure for any good video, which are hook, setup, problem, solution, and the end. These are the 5 principal drivers for all the videos you watch on social media. Download your favorite video and observe this 5 driver and try to figure out how others execute it. And trust me, once I learned this, my editing hit differently. Step number 3. Sound versus visual. If the sound is off, your edit sucks. No matter how good your visuals are. I'm not kidding. Music, pacing, sound effects, subtle transitions, this actually makes your video feel good and clients feel before they think. So make sure you work on sound design, and I will make a specific video about sound design. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Edit with clients in mind, even if you don't have any yet. Ask yourself while editing, what is the goal of this video? What should the viewer do or feel after watching this video? Is there too much fluff? Is there too much effects? Is there too much transitions? When I started thinking like this before I got my first client, and that's how I got my first client. Copy, then customize. I used to break down top creators' videos, rewatch every scenes, and try to rebuild them from scratch. Not to steal, but to understand. Do this over and over again, and you will start creating your own style without even overthinking or trying. Now let's talk about the step number 6, which is the game changer of this blueprint. Done is better than perfect. I wasted so much time to making things perfect, and now I know an okay edit uploaded video is better than a masterpiece that nobody sees. So the faster you finish, the faster you grow. So make sure you complete your projects, make sure you complete your daily task, then you will grow faster. And that's the game changer of this whole blueprint. Now I'm going to give you guys 5 bonus tips I wish I knew earlier. Tip number 1. Templates actually save your life. Create your own template collections and reuse them and speed up your workflow. But remember, don't be a template guy. Step number 2. Keyboard shortcuts are superpower for every editor. So learn them as early as possible. Number 3. Create a swipe file of cool edits and reference it later when you get stuck. This is the easiest way to escape when you get stuck. Number 4. Trust me, your first videos will suck, but post them anyway. Nobody is 100% perfect, so make sure you post them and show to your friends and families. Number 5. Nobody cares about your transitions, flashy effects, crazy edits. They care about your message and your story. So make sure you focus on your message and your story. Now, I didn't learn this overnight. I made a lot of ugly videos. I worked for free and almost I quit a few times. But this system changed everything for me. Whether you are just starting out or stuck in the middle, just follow these steps and it actually works. If you found any helpful tip here, comment down below. Or if you're a brand or creator looking for someone who can handle your editing, you already know how I work. So Let's connect. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. I will upload more videos about creating personal brands. I will share more videos about roadmap for a freelancer and a video editor. Until next time, bye bye.